Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best phone mic stand holder on the market, the JCWINY mic stand phone holder. If you're a singer, musician, content creator, or someone who needs a reliable and flexible phone holder for your microphone stand, this product might just be the perfect fit for you. The JCWINY mic stand phone holder is designed with versatility in mind. It clamps securely onto any mic stand pole with a diameter ranging from 0.4 to 1.1 inches, but it's not limited to mic stands alone. It also fits music stands, drum stands, light stands, boom arms, speaker stands, and even tripods. This means you can use it in a wide variety of setups, whether you're performing live, recording, or streaming. One of the standout features of this phone holder is its flexible gooseneck arm, which measures 12 centimeters long. Made from strong ABS, metal, and aluminum alloy, the arm is both durable and easy to bend or twist into any position you need. Whether you want your phone held horizontally, vertically, tilted upward or downward, the flexible design allows you to adjust your viewing angle effortlessly. Safety and stability are also top priorities with this phone holder. It features an O-style buckle lock that firmly clamps onto the stand, preventing any unwanted slipping or drifting. This secure grip means you can interact with your phone freely without worrying about it falling off or moving out of place during your performance or session. Compatibility is another big plus. The JCWINY phone holder accommodates nearly all smartphones, regardless of whether they have a case or not. It supports a wide range of models including the latest iPhones like the iPhone 14, 13, and 12 series, as well as Samsung Galaxy phones and many other popular brands such as Huawei, Google Pixel, Moto, LG, and more. Portability is key for many users, and this product delivers on that front too. The lightweight design allows you to easily fold or roll up the holder and slip it into your pocket or backpack, making it a convenient accessory to carry around to gigs, rehearsals, or recording sessions. Plus, installation is simple and tool-free, so you can set it up quickly whenever and wherever you need it. Beyond its practical uses, this holder is an excellent solution for musicians who rely on digital music sheets, lyric apps, or backing tracks on their phones. It keeps your hands free and your device positioned exactly where you want it, streamlining your workflow and keeping your focus on the performance. The JCWINY brand brings a strong background in smartphone, camera, audio, and video accessories. They emphasize quality, comfort, and convenience, aiming to enhance your experience with dependable and well-made products. In summary, if you're looking for a sturdy, flexible, and universally compatible phone holder to attach to your mic stand or similar equipment, the JCWINY mic stand phone holder is a compelling choice. It combines durability, adjustability, and ease of use into a single accessory designed to support your creative needs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product insights. See you next time.